All right, guys, today over here at CarCal, we're gonna set up for the Mitsubishis. These are the two Mitsubishi targets, the main targets, actually the targets for Mitsubishi. The way these are set up here, if you look at the back of the target, we have one driver and one passenger. They're the same target, so they are interchangeable. We can put them on either side. Important thing is that we will be set from the center 420 millimeters out to the driver's side, the left, and 420 millimeters out to the passenger side, the right. All right, so distance as far as the Mitsubishi goes, it says wheel hub, okay? So right here, for this particular, we'll do the Eclipse. The Eclipse says 1,730 millimeters from the hub. 1,730 millimeters from the hub. So we need to figure out what the distance is from the bumper. We know the hub is 1,730. So what I want to do is I want to come over, I'm going to take the confirmation point off the back of the car. If you have a device with a confirmation point. If you have the 2.0 or the 1.0, it'll be a little different, I'll explain. So this is our newest 3.0 unit. It has saddles here and a notch. What I want to do is I want to turn this guy on. I want to push it up to the car, to the wheel, get that dead center on that hub. Shut it off. Take my tape measure. Okay, the tape measure will slide up and down on this tape measure. The laser will slide up and down on the tape measure. It's set up for a right side right now. I can easily pop it off and switch it over for the left side. What I want to do is turn this guy on. I want to rest it in these two saddles and put the end of the tape measure right in this notch. This will keep it perpendicular to the vehicle. I'm going to pull out here and we're going to come to the front of this vehicle. Okay, front of this vehicle right here is right at 900 millimeters. 900 millimeters from the hub to the front of the device or the vehicle. So our total number is 1,730 from the targets to the car, and it is 900 from here to there. So we subtract 900 from 1,730, okay? We get 830 millimeters. What I want to do now, make sure my lasers are on. Okay, we want to get to 830 millimeters. It's pretty darn close right there. Get the front notch in, back notch in. Okay, the height on this is going to be 1,300 now. This is now set up for the Mitsubishi. Go ahead and do your calibration. These go pretty straightforward, and we don't see many problems with the Mitsubishi. Mitsubishis tend to have some faults, so keep an eye on that. Watch your fault codes. But that's how this is basically set up. Let me turn this laser on. Do have one little caveat here for you guys here. I don't know why, but there are a couple Mitsubishis out there that don't take these targets. They'll actually take the Nissan targets. So keep that in mind. If your tablet tells you or shows you these two targets as we're going through the process, stop everything and switch over to these targets. The tablet will give you the heights and the distances. There's only one or two models, very few, but there are a couple Mitsubishis that require these targets, so keep that in mind. But Mitsubishis are pretty straightforward. Good luck.